Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Maheshkariya. You're watching me on YouTube now, and in this session I'm gonna take you through AutoGPT. AutoGPT is a kind of automation tool for ChatGPT, and not only this is limited to ChatGPT, but also you can do lots of other automation things with respect to other models. You can host this to Azure or other cloud services as well, and lots of other caching things like Redis you can use as well. Okay, language for text to speech, and for creating lots of things you can see in Twitter as well. On daily basis we are getting lots of updates on AutoGPT, that AutoGPT can deliver or can order the food, of course not deliver, so like the way, and using Twilio like the API. So that's what we are going to set up from very scratch, so you will learn everything from scratch. So let's see how it goes. For that you have to have this thing available, so you can simply search for AutoGPT. Okay, and you will be greeted with this of course Google page, where you can see this very first GitHub link, and autogpt.net, where you will see the like news and updates regarding to AutoGPT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply clone this thing. You can use CodeSpace as well. This is my favorite choice, of course. So yeah, I'm going to open my VS Code quickly, and I'm going to create a new folder on my desktop. I was already playing around with this just 1 hour before, and I realized that there are lots of cool things that I can share with you. So AutoGPT, okay, and this is the version that we are looking for is 004 0.0.4. okay, so I'm going to drag and drop this folder, and here just command plus J or control plus backtick, and open your terminal and simply use git clone and paste this link, and it's gonna take a while to clone. I'm not sure how much time it takes, so till then I'm going to pause this video. And okay, by the way, it's not going to take that much. So after that, of course, you have to have Docker available if possible, because it makes sense to use Docker. Not, you don't need to clone this thing entire application. I always prefer to go with the kind of taking clone from Docker and running it this by using just one command. So that's what we are going to do. You just need to click here on setup, and you can see here lots of other things also available. You can directly pull this thing. You can copy this Docker compose file and directly run this thing. This is the first way that I did. Then I came to conclusion that I'm going to use it like text to speech. For that I'll need a few other configuration that I had to install few packages manually. That's why I I'm using this by taking clone. So make sure to take clone, it would be great, and make sure to check out to branch stable. Okay, so I'm going to check out to branch stable. Let's see, once I get this, then I'll I have to grab this actually. Okay, so let's wait for that. It's already 27% done, and after that we need an environment file that's we are going to get from here, and where we are going to set up few other things as well. Let me go back, and here of course you can click here on TTS, where you can directly use this -- speak command in order to directly talk to this AutoGPT. And there are lots of other voice IDs are there, like Rachel and Domi and Bela. These IDs will be very useful. So what you have to do is you have to go to 11 Labs. Okay, search for 11 Labs. This is a voice tool that allows you to use a prime quality of voice AI. That can be a free tool for the for getting started with it. So click here on profile, and you will see this API key. That's what we need. So I'll grab this. Okay, just need to sign up. But you will have a limited access for the free account, so of course you need to get a pre of course paid plans afterwards. So this is just a demo, so this account will be enough for me. And of course you have to have this open API key, and for that you need to pay at least $5. Okay, OpenAPI or OpenAPI is this is done, I guess. OpenAI, not OpenAPI. So OpenAI, just go here and you can go here on developers and API, like this one you can choose API reference, and here once you click here you will be greeted with this account where you can go to the personal and click here on the view API keys. Of course you need to generate the one another key in order to like use this. So I already I'm using this paid account, so you can, I just wanted to show you the billing is not too much, and it's not gonna charge you. You can set the limit of course here, so I have put a limit here $10, so $10 will be enough for me. And in the billing history I can't see anything for now. So payment methods, I've already added my card. You just need to add your card, add $5 at least, and $5 will be enough, will last you at least for 1 month maybe. So yeah, this is done, and I'm going to check out to stable maybe. Let's see if git fetch hyphen all maybe. So oh sorry, so AutoGPT. Okay, now I just need to check out to stable. So now I'm in the stable branch of course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this AutoGPT environment file. You will see this environment file here, and that template.env file, let me see where is that .template.env file. I can't see, yeah, this one. So simply rename it or copy it, and you just rename it to env, and I guess this is enough. Now you will see this API key. You need this API key in order to grab this. Of course you again need to go to the personal and view API keys, where you can generate your own key, and you can name it like chat AutoGPT, of course 0.0.4. okay, so this is a current version, stable version. So I'm going to grab this, I'm going to delete this, so do not use this key. And so this is my personal key, and after that for of course you can use the Azure if you wanted to use Azure, and lots of other cool things. The models you can use as well. So here you can define the GPT 3.4, GPT 4, and that kind of models you can define here, and lots of other things are given here as well. So the main primary focus based on this Pine code also you can use. I'm not going to use the Pine code for now. I just need this TTS 11 labs of course. So I'm going to search for here somewhere, yeah, this one is needed. So here I'm going to paste my key of 11 labs. okay, so let me go to 11 labs quickly, and here we go, and I'm going to grab this key. okay, so this one is my 11 labs key that I'm going to paste here. After that I can enable the voice that I already showed you in here. Here, so this is Rachel's voice, that ID that I'm going to get, I'm going to put this here. You can use the voice ID 2 as well for different voices, and of course Twitter you can integrate if you want. Like I don't have the plugins, of course there are a number of plugins that you can use, like Twilio and blah blah blah. So that's what we are not going to use for now. And of course this one chat messages enable, you can make it enable. By default it's false. So of course you can search for TTS. Okay, and this TTS you can use true in order to talk to yourself. okay, so via GPT. And yeah, this is what we have to do as far as I know. And there is a file that is run.sh where you have to make sure that if you are using Python 3, so make sure to use Python 3 here. okay, and of course you can pass this variable here hyphen speak, 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 that is enough. And now I can directly run this by start.sh. that is enough, self-sufficient to start with the things. And apart from that we'll might need some other packages as well. Let me see if I can have my start. I don't have a start. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so this is run.sh. So I'm going to use this run.sh, okay, in order to like install the packages that we needed. So let's wait for this, and now I'm going to again pause this video and wait for all the packages to install. So now we are ready with all the things are done with the installing, and all the packages are installed already. So let me quickly try this with run.sh once again. So AutoGPT, let me go to AutoGPT once again, and here I'm going to use this run.sh once again. So all the packages are installed, okay, and after that speak mode is enabled. So now,
welcome back. Would you like me to return to being QA_GPT?
yes.
QA_GPT has been created with the following details.
Okay, now this is thinking, okay, and this is going to use the Chrome. So what you, if you are facing issue, you just need to minimize this like this, okay, and it will automatically go and like search for the things.
I will
These are
start by listing the files in the current directory.
okay.
I
Now
want to execute list_files.
okay, just go. Okay, I'm not sure what it is doing. Okay, list return, okay, file logger, AutoGPT command authorized by user. Okay, so this kind of automation things, it will go and think and search on Google, and this kind of suggestions it will show you.
I will read the file logger.txt file to see if there are any relevant logs that can help me determine what actions have been taken on this system.
Okay, great. So this is also looks good.
read_file.
Read_file, I'm not sure where is the read_file, and yeah, like this is the way that we can explore later as well. Let me try this with from very scratch, and again we are going to use a fresh start. Let's see how it goes. So again speak mode is enabled, and
welcome back. Would you like me to return to being QA_GPT?
No, and now it will ask you to start with the new task, and where I'll add, like I wanted to explore some more things about AutoGPT.
Welcome to AutoGPT. Run with a help for more information.
Okay,
Create an AI assistant input manual to enter manual mode.
no, I just wanted to explore AutoGPT. Okay, if you once you provide your goal, that what you want to do, it will automatically detect the 5 to 10 goals for you, and it will show you in a while. From that, like it will search on the Google and let you know. So it will.
AutoGPT has been created with the following details.
Okay, so these are the goals that like it assumed that you wanted to be, like you want to search for it. It's going to use a local cache, maybe Redis.
I suggest we list the files in the current directory to see what resources are available.
Okay, great. So now
I want to execute list_files.
where is okay, fine, just go for it. And now, so yeah, this is what it's doing. By using Chrome, it's gonna search for the Google Chrome. It's gonna show you what you want to do and this kind of things. So of course that's I guess enough for this tutorial, and rest of the things that you can explore from official GitHub, where there are a number of course web search and image generations and plugins that you can explore, and you can learn few more things from that. Okay, so this is in development, but it got a bunch of stars that you can see 128k, and in just few days, okay, it got, and there are a number of other things that you can explore on your own. And here you can clearly see the graph from 2 April to 7 May. What's the graph? And this is the in the history of the GitHub, like this is the the fantastic like growth that I have ever seen before. So please use that, use for your learnings and advancements. So that's it, I guess. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.